we learned about stores, terminals, and staff. And remember, staff are the guys that are opening the POS and working in it. These are not the users in LS Central or in BC Central. Remember, the users in BC Central are these guys. So I'm logged in as super here. How come that when we open this POS, that the terminal P0001 opens? I'm saying that here I am, I'm logged on, already started it. Here we see this is a terminal. So how come this terminal is open, not any other terminal? What defines it? There must be something in the back of this that defines it. And what we are going to look at now is called retail users. What defines it is retail users. So let's open it. This VM has been prepared with a lot of different options, a lot of different buttons. That explains we have so many lines here. But at the bottom, we will find this super guy. This super guy, he's opening store number 1, a terminal number P001. So who is the guy that is opening this POS here? Is it super or is it somebody else? Let's answer that. So in the app shell, remember, we could go and look at the setup because we have the right to do it. It's not locked. We can go in here and edit. I right click and edit. And here we see who is the user. So it's not super. So who is it? If we go to back office, we see that is super. But the LS Central POS here is LSRET. So shall we have a look? Go to back office again. Who is this guy LSRET? It's this line here. Find it? Yes, that one is opening store number 1 with terminal number 1. So that explains it why that terminal opened. It can be okay or not that more than one line is set for the same terminal. It depends what we're doing with our setup, how we're using it. We are just playing in the VM. So in that case, as long as we take care of not to open the POS at the same time for both, then they're not fighting with it. There's another field here I want to take attention to. That is the field POS super user. That's enabled for all my guys. Remember this field because we will talk about that later. If you then want to continue to look, remember we had retail. Here we had different POSs. So the fashion POS, who is the user there? If you look into it, edit, that's a guy called LSCLFA or LS Clienteling Fashion. So which POS will this guy open? So let's find this guy, LSCLFA. So we go up the list. Here it is. And you see it's for store 4 and this terminal here, P0069. How about opening this POS? Go to retail, fashion POS, and we start it. Log on, 101 or 401, it's up to you. And you will see the receipt number here is P0069. Yes, exactly that terminal that belongs to store S004. And one point says I'm here. When you log on, you may have 101 because 101, remember, is valid for all stores. 101 can open every store. 401 is staff with manager permissions. 402 is a staff with cashier permissions.